How to buy and sell stock on TradingView. Step 1. Go to tradingview.com and log in into your account. Make sure you're using a paid plan or at least a trial that allows broker integration. Step 2. Click Trading panel at the bottom of the chart. Here, you'll see supported brokers like TradeStation, Owanda, or Interactive Brokers. Click your broker, log in, and authorize TradingView to connect. Step 3. Once connected, go to any stock chart like AAPL, click Buy or Sell on the top menu, or right-click on the chart and select Trade. Create new order, enter your order detail like market or limit, quantity, and take profit or stop loss, then click Buy to confirm. Step 4. To sell, you can either place a sell order the same way, or go to your Position tab, select the stock, and click Close Position or Sell. And that's it.